Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. We're up stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yo, it has been raining for the entire night and I don't know, the sleep for me was fantastic. At first I went on the bed and I was like, yo, the bed's a little bit firm, but I don't know, I slept really nice on that bed and I love the blanket thing that's on top of it. It was really good. Yo, imagine sleeping with that. I mean, you get the idea. That's the soundtrack of everything there is just like, yo, it's super incredible. I had a great sleep, I can't say nonetheless. I mean, it has been fantastic. But however, my main intention was to get back to breakfast this morning. Like, I'm so anticipating what breakfast is gonna taste like. I said it on my Instagram, if you guys follow me there, that they said the chef last night wasn't even the real dude who was supposed to be the chef. So if it's the real chef today, I don't think we're ever leaving the spot, to be quite honest. Now, my sister, on the other hand, had a different sleep last night. How was it for you?
Yeah, it's not that it wasn't bad, but I don't sleep well and I've never slept somewhere before, so I was up from 4:30.
She said up from 4:30. Me and my food baby were sleeping good last night.
There's only one thing that I already eat.
You cooked already?
No, it's okay. No French toast. Yeah, French toast.
Alright, so this is what I love to see. That's what I was saying about the smaller boutiques. Here has about 50 rooms if I'm not mistaken. Spoke to the owner yesterday and it's been in establishment for about 50 years, in and around that range. What I love to see is that the way they have attention to detail to the food, that's what you expect. When you go to a bigger accommodation, yes, you're paying a cheaper price or whatever the case is, and everything is mass produced. But talking to the waitress just now, she mentioned that there's a pastry chef that comes in probably like every other day, switches stuff up. So we just ordered French toast, which I'm excited about. Cinnamon rolls to see how fresh this is going to be or how tasty it's going to be. The restaurant that I did work at before, I ain't gonna lie, the pastry chef, she did a really good cinnamon roll. So hopefully maybe this one is better or it comes close to that. So far, as I said, the food is definitely the highlight here. The view of the sea. To how close the sea is to the hotel, it seems almost like it could be an infinity pool effect. It's that close to the sand. Would you agree? Or yeah, I really like that whole vibe of everything. So yeah, if you're ever in Negril, definitely give Charela, you know, a look in. If you don't want to stay here, you can definitely try the food, and maybe the food will be the encouragement to even stay here after you see this awesome view. Okay, so the cinnamon rolls are here.
Until we're leaving on Monday.
Want to try?
Okay. This is interesting.
I never expected it to look this way. But let's see.
It smells good.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Alright, give us the first impression, yo. Be very cruel. I don't want you to be nice on the video because of whatever, be honest.
Oh, this missing?
Is this the drizzle sauce?
The drizzle.
I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna try it. Yo. Nice?
Some butter.
Alright, let me try. I've never seen a cinnamon roll like this. I'm always expecting it to be like a swirl type of thing, but I guess it's a roll.
This makes more sense.
So let's see.
True to the name.
Yeah, it's more true to the name, right? You know, so I just took a Red Riding Hood and have in our basket. Wow.
It's soft and nice. The outside have a nice like crunch.
And a tender sweetness.
I feel like I taste a raisin in there. I don't really like raisin, but it don't bother me.
Wow. Good. What I love, they use anchor butter. If you're from Jamaica, you know anchor butter is like one of the finest butters out here.
The green crust butter.
So they did not cheap out on the butter, which I love. Oh God.
With the butter?
I thought so.
You can name this a lot for breakfast.
It's so good. These rolls are so good. My sister sent her, but she didn't want to split this with me, so she sent for another one. I'm not leaving. Have a bus here, Camera? I'm not leaving here. Alright guys, so the lighting is a little bit dark, but let me tell you, this French toast looks really good. What I'm most interested about is because the bread is definitely not no hardware bread from nowhere. It's definitely made bread, so I'm most interested in trying that. So I'm gonna try that and tell you guys what I think. Sausage is good.
It's a cheesy sausage.
Okay, so this is a jerk sausage. I didn't take this because I've had this sausage somewhere before, so. Wow.
You never had that somewhere before. I know what you're talking about.
This not buying a store, no?
Listen to me.
This tastes like when you go to Boston and the meats are grounded and seasoned together. Wow.
Listen to me.
Yo, they put a lot of attention to detail in their food. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. No. If you look, there are different kind of French toasts. I mean, it depends on what type you like. This one, if you look at the bread, yo, the bread is like so soft. It's very light.
Even though it looks thick.
It's light, exactly, which I do appreciate about it. So it gives it that real pastry type of vibe to it.
And a little cinnamon sandwich.
It's really good. One of my favorite pastries is actually from Cee Camera. Love their French toast there. But that French toast is really more focused on the cinnamon and the butter on top. That's what gives it the flavor. But here, the groundwork is actually from the bread. The bread itself is really good. And if I make them a bacon, I don't put it past them.
I like a good sausage. And it's perfect. We're not leaving.
We can't leave.
The sausage, man. Thick.
You just start sausage? Look at the bacon, guys. I mean, low key, bacon on whole is always good. It don't matter
Put bacon on anything.
if it's cheapest bacon ever. But this one, you can tell it's a wide bacon. So I don't shrink up like bad. But the sausage though, good choice.
I don't know what to eat. You know, when you order two things,
And one is always better.
Oh, yes, you know, but in this case, even, it's like, can I put it all in my mouth at once? I think the thing is that small scale inns like this, you're not expecting like a banging job. It's like, okay, go get alright food.
Yeah, like a
But
little.
this,
It's breakfast of kings. So I know we did mention, you know, what are the available activities that are close by. Here, the activity and the sport is eating the food. Like the food is literally that good. Fun and joke aside, there's actually guys who will, you know, rent catamarans or whatever. So if you want to go out on a boat or whatever, they'll pick you up and you can do all that. But for me right now, the sport is eating the food here. The food here is, I'm not try exaggerate, I talk to Naracha, the food, bad. Alright guys, now here's the ugly truth. Like for me personally, in my head, the back of my head, because I try to keep my thing real as possible, I'm here thinking, yo, maybe because I'm the guy that's the YouTuber that's here, like they're trying to, you know, make sure that I'm extremely comfortable. But I'm not gonna lie to you, the waitress last night, the waitress this morning, it's just like, you can tell when someone's kind of trying to fake a vibe. They're making me feel so much at home. Now, there are two guests that are beside me, like a little bit down. I'm gonna try to ask them something to see, like, if their impression is the same. They seem happy to come to breakfast, so let's see what the vibe is. Hey, can I ask you guys a question?
Yeah.
How has the food been here for you guys?
Oh, wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
It's the best, right?
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
California.
California. First time here?
No. 6 years.
6 years.
We got married here.
You got married
Yeah.
here.
wow.
That's because I Googled, like, what's the best food on the beach?
The best food on the beach, really? Yo. Whoa. That's awesome, man.
So cool.
Wow. So, you see what I told you guys. I am not messing my reviews. I don't try to make them pretty. I tell you, if I don't like something, I don't like it. This is their 6th time here. They got married here. I don't know if you can hear because this camera, but she said that she Googled the best food on the beach and this is what popped up.
Best
Yo,
view.
the best view or the best view on the beach, and this is what popped up. If you're coming here 6 years in a row, the food tie you. Yo, immense. Alright guys, next up we have here at Jamaican breakfast. Any Jamaican would tell you the be all end all for any Jamaican breakfast is the fried dumpling. Some persons call it Johnny cakes, whatever you call it. This is it for me. I like to cook, and this is something that I'm not very good at. I'm not good at making the perfect fried dumpling. But we're gonna try it today. I've had a Jamaican breakfast somewhere else before. You guys might have watched the video. I'm gonna try to compare it and see which one is better. All right, let's. Oh no, they took my knife and fork. I gotta wait for another one. All right, got our knife and fork. Let's get right into the ackee. I'm a big fan of ackee. It's a Jamaican national dish. The texture of this one is very different. I've never had ackee with this type of texture before. But you know, you have butter ackee, you have the firmer one, so this could be a variant of that. Callaloo is good. No, this is what I'm most interested in. the fried dumpling.
That looks soft.
The man was like, yo, that looks soft. This is a good rendition to a fried dumpling. Just the butter in there. Still not the best fried dumpling I've ever had, because point blank range, Mr. Juicy Beef. Honestly, the fried dumpling at Juicy Beef and the fried dumpling at Monroe College, those are the two best fried dumplings I've ever had in my life.
Oh my god. You're right.
You had Monroe Beef?
Not Monroe, I'm thinking about Hampton's fried dumpling.
Yes, whoever made the fried dumpling there is an art. He's an artist.
What did you get some good fried dumpling, you know?
Yeah, man. Trust me.
I'm sorry, is that them legit used to pinch off the ball? Okay, you used to get the, you see the kind of come up a little bit.
That's the same one at Monroe.
Then team up.
Honestly, guys, the dumpling at Monroe, how it was so aerated and fluffy that at the top of the dumpling there would be another top. So that the air, the air in the dumpling would just rise up there, so it's just like it was so soft, bro. And it's the same exact when you get to Hampton.
I don't know, I don't recall ever.
No, the fact that you mentioned that said it all for me. I was just like, whoa, at the same dumpling.
You used to look forward to fried dumpling mornings.
Yeah, man. Them dumpling nice.
Jesus.
Mamba. But this one is a good dumpling. It's a good dumpling. Listen, you can taste the butter, you know? And it's not margarine.
Margarine has a distinct taste.
It's almost like a... You know, people just make dumpling to full their belly. You can tell that this person actually.
They started the art of making dumpling.
It's almost like a denser puff pastry. The taste. Wow. Guys, one thing, I'm really happy that my room is so close to the dining area because I can smell the food and it's ready, and I can go back to go lay down. When I get in this room, I'll talk to you guys some more. Alright guys, so I'm back in the room, just popped my window open because I want to see the rain when it starts falling, because we all know rain is like the best lullaby. Yo, you guys watched the video, you saw the food for yourself, you can have gained your own impression of what it might taste like. Yo, what I do want is for the subscribers who have been here, who did message me on Instagram, to drop it in the comments. Leave your own feedback as to what your experience was like. Share it so other persons can, you know, get a better understanding what it might be like, because my impression alone might not be enough. But let me tell you, the food here has been really good. It's at a great standard that you will come here, you will spend your money, and you will not complain. But anyway, the IDIS is actually calling me right now, so I'm gonna end the video here. If you do want to see more videos like these, you want to see more reviews, or you have any video suggestions, drop it in the comments. Let me know what you want to see from Soai Vlogs, and don't forget to drop a like on the video. I'll definitely appreciate that. Remember, these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.